So we going to fix this polygon here by using this split polygon tool. So as you can see, I'm cutting or I'm adding line that goes vertically through the wrist area. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing this guy. All right. Okay, and now we end up with a lot of vertices right here. Okay, so we have about 20 vertices. Now, if your arms have also 20 vertices, that's good. Okay, so it kind of match all these vertices that we have. Now, but if your arms vertices are having less vertex, then it will be trouble because you have to match all these, or you have to combine all these vertex with the arms part. Okay, and you have if you have any extra one, then um it's just, yeah, it just doesn't work because you have to connect all these vertex. Otherwise, you're gonna have like yeah, the stranded vertex. Okay, now what you have to do is that we have to reduce the number of lines that goes through this hand. Okay, because right now you can see all these lines are going vertically like this. Okay, so we have to reduce that line. Okay, so we're gonna start by fixing these guys. Okay, okay. So rather than going vertically again, we're going to reroute this by turning this line. Go all the way here, 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 and then there. Okay. Then I'm going to add this diagonal line, because otherwise this face will be counted as an n-gon. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so anything that is more than 4-sided will be considered as n-gon. Okay, so by adding this extra line there, it will cut this face into 2, and Maya will recognize this as a quad. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the same thing with this kind of triangle-ish shape. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so all we have to do is we're going to just average this guy. Okay. Now, as you can see, if I count these vertices again, this is down to 18 from 20, okay, which is a good thing. Okay. So we need to do the same thing with all the other vertices. It's because otherwise we're having too much vertices coming from the hand, and it will not connect properly with the arms. Okay, so we're trying to reduce to a good number. Usually like 13 or 12 would be good enough to connect with the arms. Okay, and this task can be quite challenging because there's a lot of rerouting the line and changing and adding line manually. Okay, and the same thing with these guys. Usually with the palm, what I do is that I add another reference picture. Okay, so I'm gonna go to image. Maybe this hand have a bit of hand picture there. Just gonna place there. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to freeze transform. I'm going to put this. I'm going to rotate it 180. Yep. And I'm going to use the backface culling and trying to just get this palm shape area. So we need to delete this edge. Okay. So rather than going vertically, I need to make sure this edge kind of going around. Maybe this guy can also be deleted, I guess. Okay, we just need to fix this or shape it like the back of the palm. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in place. 0, put this to 0. We need to reduce even more. So now I'm down to about 14. Let's try reducing this guys. think from this point onward, it's just refining and then try to reroute some of these lines. Okay, done about 12. Oops, what happened here? Do check your model if there is any triangle or maybe n-gon. Okay, so I'm going to my face mode. I'm going to go to select and then constraint. Then from here we can change the option to triangle, then change the constraint to current and next. Now, if you have triangle in your object, Maya will highlight that particular faces. And the same thing if you have any n-gon. So let's say have n-gon right here. Okay, so what this mode do is that it will only select that faces. Okay, so that face will be highlighted and you need to fix that one. Okay, so once you finish with this setting, don't forget to close and reset. Otherwise, if you don't, then you kind of like stuck or constrained to that particular selection that you did. In this case, it's n-sided. Okay, so make sure it's close and reset. You can fix that one. Okay, so try your best to kind of shape these faces so everything is nice and round. Okay, so I use a lot of average vertices, kind of like get the shape that I want.